Everyone wants the next NVIDIA, and everyone wants the next stock that suddenly explodes 300%, while everyone else is still distracted. But here is the problem. Most investors are chasing yesterday's winners, and the real money is usually made by identifying the next narrative before the Wall Street fully prices it in. And that's exactly what video is about. Because the next 5 stocks are connected to some of the biggest themes heading into June 2026. We got AI infrastructure, nuclear energy, rare earths, and data centers. And the massive electricity crisis no one is talking about enough. Some of these are risky and some are volatile. But these narratives continue accelerating, and these stocks could become massive winners. So let's get into it. So the first stock that we have is stock number 5, which is USA Rare Earth, ticker symbol USAR. And this stock is basically a direct bet on one thing: America trying to break free from China. You see, China still controls most of the rare earth supply chain. These materials are needed for, fighter jets, EV motors, missile systems, AI hardware, and satellites, and advanced military technologies that we aren't even aware of. Now, that's a massive problem for the United States, especially as tensions with China continue rising. We have a bottleneck. Now, this is where things get interesting. USA Rare Earth owns a major rare earth deposit in Texas and is also building domestic processing capabilities, which means America first. That matters because America just doesn't need the materials, it needs the ability to process them without China. And right now, US government is aggressively pushing towards supply chain independence. That means more funding, more contracts, and more political support, and potentially bigger narratives around this entire sector. And most investors miss this. Markets move on stories before fundamentals even hit. And the America rebuilding critical supply chain, this entire story is getting stronger every single month. Now, obviously, there are risks, and mining projects take forever to go through Congress and for it to actually take place, and the infrastructure, and always dilution is always possible, and speculative stocks can get crushed. But if US-China tensions keep escalating, this sector could get hot very fast. Which brings down to stock number 4, which is MARA, okay? That ticker symbol. Now, most people still think that it's just a Bitcoin mining company. That's the old story. What's the new story, if you ask? The AI infrastructure. This is where things get very interesting, because Bitcoin mining companies accidentally built something incredibly valuable over the last few years. There is massive power infrastructure, there's huge energy crisis, and third, cooling systems. And also, fourth thing that I just got in my mind is industrial scale compute facilities, right? That's very much in demand. And guess what AI companies desperately need right now? Exactly that. This is the part Wall Street is slowly starting to understand. Mara already spent billions building infrastructure for crypto mining. Now they're pivoting parts of that infrastructure towards AI computing. That changes everything, because AI companies are in a complete arms race for computing power. We got Microsoft, there's Meta, OpenAI, Amazon, right? Everybody's spending aggressively, and data center demand keeps exploding. And this reminds me a lot of what happened with Applied Digital before that massive run. At first, no one cared. Then suddenly the market realized it wasn't just a crypto company anymore. Now, obviously, Mara is risky. If Bitcoin gets crushed, the stock can absolutely suffer. It will get demolished. But if the market starts valuing it more like an AI infrastructure instead of just a crypto, the upside could be very, very interesting. Which brings us down to stock number 3, which is CoreWeave, the ticker symbol CRWV. Now, this is probably one of the purest AI infrastructure plays in the market right now, because CoreWeave basically rents AI computing power, and that's the business. Instead of companies building massive AI infrastructure themselves, they rent access to GPUs and computing capacity. And the demand right now is actually insane. The company is deeply connected to names like NVIDIA, OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, and Microsoft. And that's why this stock became such a monster AI narrative play. It sits directly in the center of the AI infrastructure boom. Now, here's what most people, still underestimate. AI requires unbelievable amount of computing power. That's not a normal software cycle. This is an infrastructure race. An infrastructure race create massive winners. Now, of course, there is risk. There's, heavy debt there's involved. There's customer concentration, and also there's extreme volatility. Now, here's the case. If AI spending slows, stocks like these can get hit very hard. But here's a problem for the bears. AI spending still hasn't slowed down. Every quarter, big tech keeps increasing their capex. And every quarter, AI models get bigger. And every quarter, the demand for AI compute keeps rising. That's why CoreWeave continues to stay one of the most important stocks to watch in this entire space. I'm going to keep an eye out for that. Which brings down to stock number 2, which is Nebius, right? Which is NEBIUS, ticker symbol NBIS. And honestly, this might be one of the most misunderstood AI stocks in the market. A lot of investors compare it to CoreWeave, but Nebius has multiple different narratives attached to it. There's AI infrastructure, there's autonomous driving exposure, AI training services, and maybe most importantly, European AI sovereignty. That last one is very, very important. Keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. Europe increasingly wants independent AI infrastructure instead of relying entirely on American companies. And Nebius sits directly inside that trend. Now, this is where things get dangerous, because when stocks start getting attached to multiple narratives, valuations can expand aggressively. That's exactly what happened with companies like Tesla over the years. At different times, Tesla was valued as as an EV company, an AI company, a robotics company, and an autonomous driving company, and also an energy company. So there's multiple narratives creating multiple expansion opportunities, and Nebius potentially has that kind of setup. Now, obviously, this is still speculative, and execution risk is still there, but these high growth infrastructure names can be extremely volatile. But I think this market still doesn't fully understand how powerful the European AI story could become over the next several years. Which brings me down to the number 1 stock, which is NuScale Power, ticker symbol SMR. Now, this might quietly be one of the most important AI-related stocks in the market. Not because it builds AI, but because AI has a gigantic problem. Guess what? Put it in the comments. You got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Electricity. Massive amounts of electricity. Like every major AI company now realizes that they're going to be in need of unbelievable amounts of power for data centers. And traditional energy solutions aren't enough. That's why nuclear is suddenly becoming pretty hot again. Now, NuScale focuses on smaller modular reactors instead of giant traditional nuclear power plants. Now, they're trying to build smaller modular systems that can be deployed more efficiently. Now, whether they fully succeed remains to be seen. But here's why the stock matters. So NuScale already has got a major regulatory approval. That means many competitors still don't have. They don't even have the approval. And that's huge in the nuclear industry. And the timing is very important on this one because the AI boom is creating a global electricity race. Microsoft is making nuclear deals. Amazon is making nuclear deals. Google is doing so as well. So everyone wants like a stable long-term power generation. And this is what most investors miss. AI is not just a software story anymore. It's an energy story. And if nuclear momentum continues building just like this, SMR could be one of the biggest stock narratives in the sector. So those are the 5 stocks to buy heavily before June 2026. USA Rare Earth, Mara, M-A-R-A, CoreWeave, Nebius, and NuScale Power. All connected to one massive trend, the infrastructure build-out behind the AI and the future economy. And remember, always do your due diligence because I'm not a financial expert. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Which stock on this list do you think has the biggest upside? And which one do you think is way too risky for the time? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And remember, if you want to see what I'm doing with my portfolio, what are the stocks that I'm buying, selling, and the stocks that I'm looking out for, then join me at Finance with Bera. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe because we're going to keep covering the biggest AI stocks, infrastructure plays, and market opportunities heading into the rest of 2026.